Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's task is simple but critical. We need to give Kareem sudo access on all app servers so he can perform admin tasks. But there's a catch: we need to make sure he has passwordless sudo access. First, I'm logging into app server 1. We need to gain root privileges to modify system files. Never edit etc sudoers directly with a text editor. Always use the command visudo. This checks for syntax errors before saving, so you don't accidentally lock yourself out of the server. I'm go to the bottom of the file. Here is where we add the rule. The requirement is specific: access from anywhere, with no password. Kareem is the user. All equals all means he can run commands on any host as any user. NOPASSWD, all, this is the requirement. He won't be prompted for a password when running sudo commands. Once that line is added, I'll save and quit. Now, the task said all app servers. So, I'm going to exit server 1 and repeat these exact same steps on app server 2 and app server 3. With the configuration pushed to all 3 servers, the user Kareem should be good to go. Let's hit the check button to verify our work. And there we go, task complete. Simple, clean, and secure. That's how we get things done. I've put the command we used today in the description box for easy copying. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.